Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's make a unique upper arm cuff, or also known as an armlet, using African print and jewelry wires. Let's go! You can do this in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Gather your materials. You can use the already cut wire as a guide to cut the other jewelry wires. This is the 10 gauge we're cutting now. This is an optional step. Just use the file to file the jagged, any sharp edge. The strip should be at least 1 inch in width. Be very careful when you are working with hot glue. You don't want to burn your fingers. Use the quick drying glue to seal the end. Step 5. wrap all 3 jewelry wires together. Yes, measure 5 inches from the ends of both from both ends of the jewelry wire. Then use the 12-inch 18 gauge wires to wrap all 3 wire strips together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're watching this. It will help me make more videos for you to see. And I will be delighted to make more DIY videos for you. Very easy, huh? See? Very easy. I started making omelets, African print omelets. I started making them in 2016, and I was selling them in my online store. I was making and selling these pieces. Very unique. I was the only seller that offered these unique pieces. And they were one of my biggest sellers on Etsy. Then you shapen the ends. Use the pliers to shapen the ends. I have used 5 of the 12-inch wire 18 gauge wires, so I am going to use the last one. You know, we cut out 6, so I'm going to use the last one to wrap around the fabric covered jewelry wire. Making these arm cuffs is less than an hour. Once you get the hang of it, it's less than about 30 minutes. Now we use step 7, final step. We shapen the cuff, the arm cuff. Very easy to shapen using the spray can. And voila, there you have it. There you have it. African print upper arm cuff. Done. If you like my top, the top I'm wearing in the video, just write in the comment section, say make it, and I'll make a tutorial on how to create this asymmetric African print top.